With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. We have this question where we have to explain why aluminium powder is used in thermite welding. Now let us know what is thermite. The meaning of this term thermite. This term thermite is basically the trade name for one of the granular mixture of aluminium metal and powdered ferric oxide. Formula for ferric oxide is Fe2O3 . Now, the second part of this is the reduction of metallic oxide with aluminium is known as this thermite process. Here, aluminium powder reacts with Fe2O3. Now, since aluminium has more affinity towards oxygen, it displaces the iron from its oxide, or we can say it reduces Fe2O3 to iron during the melting process or welding process, to be precise, and also produces heat. Now, the term welding refers to joining parts, broken or any kind of joining is definitely welding. So, the molten Fe that is formed will seal the broken parts of anything where welding is used to have a strong bonding or to create a strong bonding. So what is the reaction? Let us see the reaction. The reaction is Fe2O3 plus aluminium powdered will give Al2O3 plus molten Fe. This is molten and it will help to join the broken parts or seal the broken parts. So that is why aluminium powder is used in thermite welding. Aluminium reacts with Fe2O3, and since it has more affinity towards oxygen, it reduces Fe2O3 to melted Fe or molten Fe during this welding process and gives out certain amount of heat, lot amount of heat to be precise. And so this is the way thermite welding is done and aluminium powder is used. This is your complete answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.